Welcome! I'll quickly show you how to check your OPPO phone's repair status anytime. Ria is unsure about her phone's repair status and keeps wondering where it is and when she will get it back. Tracking your repair status keeps you informed, saves time, and gives complete transparency without needing to call customer support. Skip the phone calls. Our self-service platforms are available 24/7, making it easy to stay updated. You can track your repair status using the OPPO website, the My Oppo app, or our WhatsApp chatbot. Go to OPPO website. Select Service Record under Self-Service. Enter your phone number and verification code. Tap Check Now to proceed. Complete the safety verification to view your repair status. Open the My Oppo app. Tap the Support tab at the bottom. Select the Service Record option. Enter your phone number and verification code. Complete verification to continue. The service record will now appear on your screen. Open WhatsApp. Save the OPPO service number. Type Repair Status. Share your job sheet or IMEI number when asked. You'll instantly receive your repair status in the chat. Like, share and subscribe for more OPPO tips.